Welcome gamers to another exciting showcase on our channel. Today I'm thrilled to present to you the latest and greatest assets available on the Epic Games Marketplace as of April 2024. From the quaint charm of a low-poly village to the awe-inspiring grandeur of a Gothic cathedral, this month's Epic Games Marketplace offers a treasure trove of assets that cater to every gamer's fantasy. Whether you are a developer seeking to enrich your gaming world or enthusiast looking to explore new horizons, these assets are sure to captivate your imagination. But before we dive deeper into the wonders of these creations, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest content coming your way. Your support means the world to us. And hey, while you're at it, why not head over to woolen.com? By subscribing, you gain access to exclusive coupon discounts for my courses. Learn the secrets of game development with my latest offering, modeling with Unreal Engine 5, no Maya or Blender needed. It is a game changer, pun intended. So without further ado, let's embark on the month's free assets on Epic Games Marketplace. This month in Unreal has been fantastic in terms of the marketplace. Remember that to find the elements of the marketplace that are free, you will go here to free and select free for the month. So these are the ones that are at this moment available. And let's get into the details of these particular four that for me are the most amazing. The first asset I'm going to visit is this one, which is the Staly's Clay Forest Village Pack, and is by Studio Kovo, and in this case is an environment. And I think this is not the kind of assets that you're going to use if you want to make a full realistic video game. But if you are creating something kind of cute, something that, I don't know, could be like a Snoopy or something where you're going to use a very simple low poly, definitely this is something that you must keep very close to you. Here I created a project with all these assets. So let's go in this case to the Kovo Forest Village. And here you have two levels. I have to say that the first level and the levels that they presented, they already have a post-processing volume, which was kind of annoying for me. So I create a copy of these levels to make, to explore a bit more these objects and these assets. Now, as you can see here, even the details for the floor is pretty cool because it looks like it is moving. It is kind of a sand or, I don't know, a grass that could be moving. And it's really, really cool. And the objects and the assets that are related to this are also amazing. I mean, if I create in a game like, I don't know, something as a Hello Kitty, as I mentioned, Snoopy or something like that, this is definitely something that you want to visit. Now, the scale, that's something that is kind of crazy, that I have to say. The objects are really, really small, and you can see here, you can have a reference for the character that we have by default in Unreal and the objects around it. But that's the only thing. The other part is related to the meshes. Here you have all the meshes, and as I mentioned, they are very low poly. They are very simple meshes, but they have everything you're going to need for this kind of video games. So 100% recommended depending on the style that you want to use, that you want to create your video game. They also add a level overview where you can see the assets that are available for you. As you can see, there are no many assets, but I think you can combine them in a very creative ways to create something very special. And maybe combine it with other assets from maybe this same developer, these same creators, or others that could be in the same style, in the same low poly style. The second asset I want to mention is this ancient golem. And this ancient golem is pretty cool. I have to say it's a character that it is created for you to, explore your fantasy. It is created by Stanislav Gava. It's a character, and you can use it as a player, or you can use it as an NPC that you must destroy. Really, really cool. Let's go to see the details. The folder that it generates is the Ancient Golem. And here we have a demo of the character with different animations that you can play with. There are I have to say, pretty cool animations associated with this character. And then you have the elements associated with the maps. And this is very simple. I have to say that it is a very simple map, but it gives you a very cool idea of how this character is going to look in different positions And you can also have the reference of how big this character is in reference with the default character of Unreal, of third person in Unreal. But I have to tell you guys, this is very, very cool. I will keep this character because I don't know where I can use it, but for sure I will. Finally, I want to mention, look at the details for the materials of this character. It's really, really cool to combine in a game where we're talking about a fantasy, but at the same time, some kind of magic. I think this is a perfect character to be considered. So 100% recommended. Keep it in the marketplace, in your portfolio of elements of marketplace. The next asset I want to talk about is this Watermills natural environment. Don't worry, we're going to get to this one, but I want to leave that for the end. So let's go to the Watermills. And the Watermills was created by Liartes Studios and is an environment. I have to say that this environment is small, but man, it's really tasteful. All the elements that are presented here are perfect for defining a very high definition video game. Let's get to the details. The folder that this generates is called the Watermills. And here you have the levels, and you have a very fantastic sample of what you are going to, of how you can use these elements. Of course, there are a lot of components around. You can click G to hide them for a second, but look at the level of details that we have here. It's really, really astonishing. I have to say that, as I mentioned, it is not really big, but it presents you with everything that you can use in this kind of environment. Again, talking about something that could be an adventure, even an exploration of the style of a video game of Indiana Jones or Lara Croft, I mean Tomb Raider, or something even fantasy that combines also technology. I think that this is a fantastic asset to have. And here you can see the proportions with the third person character that we have by default in Unreal, and look how they play with the elements of the environment. It's really, really amazing. 100% recommended again. Overall, look at the effects of the particles. Everything is looking really, really cool. So get it. And the last asset, and for me, the most special that I found for this month is definitely this one. The You Create Gothic Cathedral asset pack by Michael Sornet is an environment. But this thing, if you are creating a full rendering last generation video game, this is the kind of assets that you want to have in your portfolio for adding to your game. Look at the details of this cathedral. It's insane. It's really insane. I have to say it right now, that is 100% recommended. Get it. It's very important, and keep it in your portfolio so you can use it in your video game. Now let's get to the details. The Gothic Cathedral is located here. This is the folder for the Gothic Cathedral. And I think that the best thing that you are going to, or the first thing that you must visit is this map, which is the Gothic Cathedral. And this will provide you with an idea of how good this has been created. I'm going to move a little far away, let's say something like that. And I'm going to move away so you can see this astonishing environment. I have to say, guys, it's really, really great. And if you want to start creating games with whether you're going to have this kind of visibility, how can you get more inspiration that this asset is really astonishing? And of course, they have all the components that you might find that you might want in your video game. By the default, the starting point, the player start is going to be around this place. Of course, I move it because I wanted to explore all the elements around it. And you will find, let me play with my character, and you will find things like this cathedral. Oh my God, look at this. Look at the details presented on this cathedral. There are some elements, I don't know why it creates some particles that are kind of in the middle and they don't allow you to pass through. If you have this situation, just let's go to the object, which will be, I think is this one. Let me confirm. Yeah, it's the fog volume. This fog volume is really annoying. And what I can do, well, what you can do, let me lower the speed of the camera just a little bit. And what you can do is to change the collision if you wish to explore this a bit more. And in the collisions preset, I think is this one. And in the collision preset, select overlap old dynamic. Let's play the game. All right, and let me now I can get through this, and I can get through this as well. And there you go. The cathedral is astonishing. I love this place. Look at the details, guys. This is really, really amazing. Again, if we're going to talk about a fantasy video game or something where you want to create this level of realism, man, this is something that you must have in your portfolio. Again, let me move the camera to a faster speed. In fact, an even faster speed. Remember that you have as well the entire cathedral and other components that you can play with. Look at this. Even if you're creating a game, a fantastic game of like Harry Potter's style, amazing. But also you can find that the combination of fantasy and science fiction could be a fantastic idea for a video game. So, as I mentioned a moment ago, this is 100% recommended. And there you have it, folks. Another incredible showcase of the finest assets available on the Epic Games Marketplace. We hope you enjoyed this virtual journey as much as we did. Before we wrap up, remember to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that bell icon to never miss an update. Your engagement fuels our passion for creating content that inspires and entertains. And don't forget to visit Woolen.com to unlock exclusive coupons discount for my courses. Whether you are a budding game developer or a seasoned enthusiast, there is always something new to learn and explore. Thank you for watching. I'll see you the next time.